Logitech Z906 surround sound speaker system. Twin 2.0 dual-input multimedia speakers allow 6 watts peak power and deliver clear stereo sound. Control is simple and convenient with integration of volume and power. Includes a handy headphone jack for your private listening pleasure. Powerful 1000 watts peak power. Sub-woofer 293mm, HX 281mm, W, X 319mm, D. Satellites 166.3mm, HX 100.3mm, WX 93.5mm, D. Center channel 100.3mm, H, X 166.3mm, WX 93.5mm, D. Control console 293mm, HX 281mm, W. Wireless remote 111mm, HX 43mm, WX 18.9mm, D. Inputs for multiple audio sources, computer, TV, game console and more. THX Certified theater quality audio. 2-year limited hardware warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.